Greetings and welcome to my LibGuide, Conservation and You, Protecting Our World. This is a reference tool to help inspire, educate, and empower public library users just like you on how you can help make a positive impact on our environment. Throughout this guide, I will be using this cursor outlined with a yellow circle, so please follow along. You'll notice at the top I have various links pertaining to conservation. But for now, we'll explore our homepage, where you will find information about your librarian, which is me, Denise Chappell, as well as a background in what conservation is provided by dictionary and encyclopedia references. I've provided four for your reference. To access these links, simply click on the blue text below, and that will take you directly to the link. So for this instance, we are using the Oxford English Dictionary, which provides a pretty great definition on what conservation is. To go back to our LibGuide, click the arrow in the upper left-hand corner. As you'll see, I've listed a dictionary in print format, as well as for every resource, a little bit of information on that resource. That way you don't have to click into it to find out what it is. So as you'll see, our homepage provides a foundation for understanding what conservation is. Next up, we'll travel to our blue link of environment to see the resources located there. So please follow my cursor and click the blue link to environment. This will list journal articles from JSTOR, which is an open access scholarly content that provides over thousands of scholarly articles. It's a great resource for getting an academic view on any topic that you're interested in. I've included two. I've also included a book resource, Science, Conservation, and National Parks, as well as a website, the Union of Concerned Scientists. Again, if you'd like to access any of these, hover over the blue link and it'll take you right to that source. For example, we'll go back to our LibGuide using the upper left-hand corner back button, and we'll go on to our next area, which is animals. Well, you'll see a Hein Online, which is a legal case database, as well as a link to the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and the Audubon Society. Next up, probably my favorite one, is how you can actively contribute to our conservation efforts with these helpful book resources, as well as this online resource, the Upper Missouri River Restoration. Next up, because some of you like tools and data, I've included a helpful site from NASA, the Global Change Master Directory, which is a really fascinating, fun site to explore. And lastly, our directories will take you to Leadership Connect, which connects you with journalists covering topics related to conservation, and also Literary Index, where you can find out biographical information about authors published to our Gale databases. Thank you for joining me in this LibGuide. I hope this has helped you and can inspire you to contribute to our conservation efforts in the future.